Hey, that's our planet. That's Earth. It's big, blue, and beautiful. All life on our planet lives in its own special habitat. Today, we're going to be talking about animals and the habitats that they live in. Let's go. Let's talk about animals and their habitats. All animals are different. They live in different habitats. Narwhals live in the ocean and like to eat fish. Narwhals have one horn, like a unicorn. Sea turtles are another interesting ocean animal. A sea turtle has fins. It eats plants like seaweed and kelp. Let's look at another animal, a deer. Deer live in the plains habitat. Deer eat grasses, a plant found in the plains. Plains can be near mountains. Mountains can be rocky and cold. Mountains can have forests of pine trees. Bears live in these forests and eat berries from trees. Berries are made when a flower is pollinated by an insect, like a bee. Inside of berries are seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Another habitat is a rainforest. Capybaras live in the Amazon rainforest. Capybaras like to eat grasses and fruit. There are many big trees and flowers in the rainforest. Rainforests are wet, but deserts are dry. Animals like desert foxes, lizards, and snakes hide from the hot sun. This little guy is a tortoise. Plants like cacti grow in the desert. They have sharp spines. A person's habitat is their community. We have many places to learn, play, and eat. Our community has many plants, such as trees and flowers. Our community also has animals, like dogs and cats. They are our pets. We have to take care of our pets by giving them food, water, and love. Life is everywhere. Forests have many plants and animals. Mountains have many plants and animals. Oceans have many plants and animals. Plains have many plants and animals. Even deserts have many plants and animals. The earth is so amazing. There are so many different habitats and animals. What habitats are your favorite? And what animals live there? Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.